Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about a very useful English word, circumstances. So the word circumstances mean the situation or the condition around something. It describes what is happening at that moment or what things are influencing an event. Circumstances means the situation you are in. For example, your time, your money, your health, or environment. But all of things are circumstances. Remember, circumstances mean the situation or condition that affect your life or decision. I hope you can understand the meaning of circumstances. Thank you so much.